What is up, everybody? My name is Sean Roselt, and I think we are lagging. Let me try and fix that. Always the usual lag. Okay, it might be better now. Looks like it is. Sweet! Welcome to day 42 of vibe coding on a Steam Deck until we make $1 million. Alrighty, let's jump in. So, day 42. It's quite surreal that is day 42 already. Time really flies. So, today we are going to be working on Genepedia as always. We just recently rebranded. It used to be Genipedia. Now it is Genepedia. This one, we'll just be doing general improvements to it. So nothing specific. General improvements. But the important thing for this one, for this video, is the Invoice Generator. Hello Ian and Estory. Invoice Generator. Get this shit done. Okay. Because I recently switched to Wayland from X11, I do still have some few issues. So my YouTube chat is broken again. So I'll need to fix this again as well. And let me see if I can quickly fix it and how long it's going to take. Is that font size big enough? Or is it too big? How's the font size I chose there? Crop. Okay, there we got something at least. Okay, how's the font size? Is it big enough or is it too big? Seems fine. Sweet. Thank you very much. So, for the invoice generator, I want to do a few things today. We need to obviously get it done. So, let's rephrase this a tiny bit. It needs to say, try to finish MVP. But then more importantly, I want to submit the store page to Valve. So to do that, we need to do a few things. So let's say submit Steam store page. So for that, we need to make screenshots, make library assets, make trailer. There we go. So these three items are the main goal for today. If we could get that done, then I am mostly happy. Almost with you guys fully. Come on. It's so laggy. Trying to see if there isn't a better way to do this YouTube chat. Because the way I'm doing it currently in Wayland is I am actually just basically having a browser tab with the chat open, and then in there I am basically cropping it to look as if it's like a YouTube chat, which obviously is not actually the way we should be doing it. That's sort of the best way that I've found. Hey Astro, Shawnee boy, you destroyed my hope that you were going to play. Sorry Astro. I just hopped on CS for a few seconds to do my pick'ems. I didn't actually make any pick'ems, I just chose random. I think for the last 4 or something pick'ems or majors, I just pick random. I don't actually pick. I don't actually care about picking. I just want the medal. So I don't care what color the medal is or whatever. Doesn't bother me. Okay, so I think for today we'll start on getting screenshots because we don't have any screenshots yet. I also need to open it up here. So Steam developer account. I think we should also check how much money we've made with the calculator. Valve still hasn't responded to me on the calculator issue. Ah well, of course you're not gonna play. Wait, what's the point for pick'ems if you're not going to use the medal? Well, eventually I'll use it. Eventually I'll play again, even though it's not gonna be today. Oh yeah, the QR code generator is technically ready for release. I forgot about this one. We just have to submit it actually. No wait, they must still get a build. We haven't given them a build yet. I forgot about that. I'm wondering if we should maybe try and get a build for the QR code generator today as well. So they can actually start and review it. System requirements. Let's remove Mac OS and Linux for now. Okay. Okay. We can probably do Steam Cloud. Just trying to think. Let's leave Steam Cloud for now. Okay. Trying to think if we should maybe try and get the QR code generator also some progress there perhaps. I don't remember exactly what we still need to do there. Maybe we should have a look at least. Okay, but let's start on the invoice generator. So we need to get screenshots, right? That would be the first thing. Have we made a version live yet? I think we have, but I need to double check that. So I think we said it's going to be invoices.apps.seanresult.com. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Let me take some screenshots. That might be the first thing to do. Okay. First screenshot. Okay. Let me copy it. Okay. Invoice generator. Where will we put these screenshots? Assets. IMG. Okay, there's the first screenshot. We'll call this one dashboard. Alrighty. Okay, then invoices. Okay, we don't have any invoices yet. So maybe we should make some invoices first. So this is the templates page. Take a screenshot. Okay. Copy it. paste it. That is templates. I think we need to make 5 screenshots if I remember correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we do something like that. I'll check out. Okay, so invoices. Now we can make an invoice. Let's do this one. There we go. I think this we can screenshot like so. Okay, this one is new invoice. Okay, new client. Okay, copy. Ah, it didn't copy. Do I still have it open? No, I don't. Okay. That's fine. We'll take it again. Invoices. Now, I think by the time we're actually ready to release, these screenshots will have changed completely. So whatever we take here now is not actually going to be what the product will look like eventually, possibly. Yeah, I think we need to make a client screenshot as well. Yeah, then we have 5 at least. So copy. New client. And there we go. And now we have 5 screenshots. So let's go upload that. Okay, we have 7 sales on the calculator so far. Not too much. Yeah, so I think we said the Python Turtle one is the one we are going to rebrand for the calculator. I must just remember how exactly I do that. I don't really remember. So we have changed the name here. That's not the only place it's supposed to change. We have to change it somewhere else as well. But the question is where? App configuration. Maybe it's this. No, it's not that. Edit teamwork settings. Maybe it's that. Ah, there we go. There it is. Roselt Invoice Generator. Okay, we save it. Supported operating systems. We'll just do Windows for now. We save it. Yeah, let's go to the store. Okay, we still need to fill in this about section here and all that. So let's see if AI can fill it in fast. I remember we were going to do that at some point. I don't remember why we didn't do it though. Okay, so here we are. Let's make a new page. Oh, I must sign in first. Hello. So slow. Come on. Okay, I've just signed in. We're waiting, we're waiting. I don't know what's taking so long. Oh, it failed. There we go, finally. So I think we'll start here by signing into GitHub. And then once we're signed in, we'll get the AI to fill in the store page details for us. Okay, so we'll go GPT-5 Mini. GPT-5 Mini will attach this page. Please can you look at the attached web page and then go ahead and fill in the about this game section as well as the short description. This is for my Invoice Generator app. Let's send it. Let's see if the AI can do it for us. And then while it's busy with that, I think we can continue and upload the graphical assets. So we have screenshots now, 5 screenshots in total. So let me upload that. Okay, we got 5. I'm dragging it in. There we go. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. The store assets and the library assets are really the two ones that take the longest. Luckily, AI can help in like that regard, but it still takes a while. Yeah, luckily we have the screenshots in as well. Yeah, now it's just these two. So I think what I'll do is we'll open up the QR code generator, and then sort of whatever we did there, we'll reuse that. So let's see here. So QR code generator, we go to assets, we go to trailer, store. Okay, so all of these icons we need to remake. I'll just copy that. We'll go to screenshots, store. Perfect. Let's get the script generate store images. So we'll use this one, favicon. But we'll need to make this as well. Okay, copy QR code image. Okay, perfect. Okay, this one hasn't filled in any information yet. It's still busy, but we don't need to wait for it. So let's go here. We'll go GPT 5.4. Copy path. Please make a new SVG icon for our invoice generator app. Put it here. Then also make a PNG version of it. When you're done with that, then take the new logo that we have made and use that logo to generate all of the images in the store folder. Change the name to be Roselt Invoice Generator with the new logo. Okay. I think we should be attaching these files just as some context. Reopen as source. There we go. Okay. Let's send it. Hopefully we'll have some good store assets. Now we still need to make a trailer as well. That should be easy as well, I think. Hopefully. We'll find out soon enough if it's easy. Generates great trailer. Okay, here we go. Video. Video. Okay, we'll make a new chat for this. Okay. Please use the screenshots and generate a 1-minute video for us. Okay, let's just do that and see what it does. Okay, 3 prompts busy going. Oh, it's filled it in for us. Okay. Roselt Invoice Generator is a lightweight offline first browser app that allows, okay, I don't want that. Let's just say offline first app that helps freelancers, contractors, and small businesses create professional invoices and estimates in seconds. No account or installation required. Everything runs locally runs locally on your computer for speed and privacy. Okay, key features. Customizable templates with live preview, client and product/service management with reusable profiles, flexible line item editor, automatic totals and tax calculations with multiple currency support, export to high quality print ready PDF, save or print invoices instantly, local import/export for backups and easy transfers between devices. Okay, this we might end up removing and replacing with Steam Cloud. Quick start. Add a client, add the line items, pick a template. No, it's first pick a template. This order is not correct. Add client, pick template, add line items, then export a PDF or print. Result Invoice Generator focuses on simplicity and reliability so you can get paid faster. Okay, very good. It didn't add the short description though. Well, it did type it here at least. Let's copy this. Result Image Generator is a lightweight offline first app for freelancers, yada yada yada. Customize templates, manage clients and items. Okay, that looks good. Let's save it. Let's check up on the AI. Okay. Okay. We don't have a new icon yet, but it's busy making the new icon. Okay, create trailers, busy happening as well. Sweet. Looks like we might be able to submit the page today. Now, obviously, it's not going to be great because we are like very low budget creating these pages. But eventually in the future, we will recreate them and make them look better. Yeah, maybe we should get a build ready as well for the QR code generator. At least if it's quick. We'll see what we need to do to get the build ready. Or maybe we just make a build. Like, even though it's not going to be ready yet, we just make one to submit. Yeah, perhaps we do that. Yeah, I think we'll just do it for now. Like, whatever, just kind of spitball it. Okay, we need to look at how the calculator did it though. Because many of the issues we had, we fixed already in the calculator. So therefore, I think we go apps, calculator. And we need to kind of see how this one was done. Let's copy this. We'll go sign into GitHub. Okay, perfect. We'll go GPT 5.4. Please look at the calculator project above and see how the Windows Portable and Linux versions were compiled or built, and do the same for the QR code generator in this project. Okay, there we go. Structure. Okay, I still have some code that I have to commit. I think let's commit this code. Extensions we can probably move to like here. Hi, we got new images. I think. Let's go check the favicon. An error occurred. Oh no. The favicon isn't working. It looks like I'm dropping a few frames as well on the live stream. So let me turn the bitrate lower. I'm wondering, should we try and live stream again to Twitch? Like it's not going to be worth it. But let's try it and see. Since we are waiting for the AI in any case. Yeah, I'm busy opening up Twitch. Yeah, so I say stream. And what day are we on? Day 42, right? Yes, day 42. Okay, so Twitch is warning me here that basically my internet is bad. It says here, best quality but may cause buffering for viewers on low-end devices or slow internet. Don't care. Your stream quality may be impacted based on your network test results. Fine. Let's just give it a go and see. Okay, so does the icon work now? Hey, that's not too bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. We can work with that. I believe we are now live on Twitch. We're gonna try and get some better internet. But I think we are live. I still prefer YouTube though. Twitch makes it so difficult. But it might be because I'm not used to it. That could always be the case. So let's double check and make sure we are live on Twitch. So if I go to Twitch. Eee, look at that. Ooh, okay, but now the issue is that I need to figure out how do I show this chat on the stream. Uh-huh. Or maybe we just don't show the Twitch chat. Since we don't normally have many people watching the Twitch chat anyway. Then we can just bring it up every now and then. Unless there's a way to pop out the chat. Don't know if there is a way. Let me go to my creator dashboard. Then manage. Let me check the quality. Oh, that's good quality. That's fine. Okay. My chat. Okay. Here we go. Pop out chat. That's what we need. There we go. Then this I can use. So give me a second to figure this out. Oh, the AI finished. Let's just have a look. So we got an icon. Nice, nice. Did it update the logo in the website? Let's see if it did that. That would be cool if it did. It didn't. Okay. GPT-5 Mini. Please use the new logo SVG and actually use it in the website. Let's check the store assets. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's not perfect, but it does the job. Maybe we take out the result in these assets. So then the assets only say Invoice Generator. Or do we leave it like this? Let's leave it like that for now. So we'll go to YouTube. Not YouTube, I mean Twitch. I'm close to having Twitch up here. Copy, paste. Oops, that's the wrong one. And now we have two YouTube ones. Give me a second. Oh man, that's my whole screen. Looking for... Oh, this one. Yes. This is the one. I'll read your message shortly. I keep don't know how to say your name. Alp Kolak. Sean, you are my man. You see again, very nice. You are really workaholic. Keep your head up. Respect from Turkey. Thank you very much. Respect from South Africa. So this is the Twitch chat. Let's just say here test. Okay, there we go. Okay, so Twitch chat goes from the top. It looks like. Or is it from the bottom? I don't even know. But we gotta add filters. Top like 300 or 100, 160, 180. Maybe something like that. And then the bottom. This is fine for now. Like so. So then we got Twitch and we got the other one. Trying to get the font size to be roughly the same. That seems about right. Or is this better? Okay, this is better, I think. Filters, top 200. Okay, there we go. Twitch chat and YouTube chat at the same time. Although I doubt we'll see anyone in Twitch, really. But you never know. Yeah, let's upload the new images that it made for us. Okay, so image store. Okay, shall we just start on the store assets? So header capsule. I'll do it one by one. Header capsule. Header capsule. Okay. Then small capsule. Small capsule. There we go. Small capsule. Okay, main capsule. Oops, daisy. Okay, main capsule. Then the last one is vertical capsule. Vertical capsule. Okay, there we go. Let's say upload. Oops, my Steam crashed. I am running low on RAM. I need to close some stuff here quickly. I'm running very low on RAM right now. I see both my CPU and my RAM is basically full. I can't do anything. Okay. So those are done. There's one red mark here. Small capsule should contain readable logo even at smaller size. In most cases, this means your logo should nearly fill the small capsule. And that seems about right. Then library assets. Okay, here we need to get the library capsule. Okay. Hero, header, and logo. Okay. Okay, library header, confirm. I see we are still dropping some frames. Okay, then lastly, we have the placement tool. Okay. Something like that. Then we should be good. Think. Yeah. Save. Now this obviously is not a great store page design. I don't think any of our apps are currently has a very nice store page. But at least we got something. That's what's important. Oh, did we save this? I don't think we did. Or did we? No, we did. So what's still missing? 4 out of 5. What is missing? Library. Library. I'm so confused. We got everything. Huh? What is missing? Is this one not correct or what? I have no idea. Let's go publish. This application has not yet been published to all users. Once public, okay. Okay, let's go check out the trailer in the meantime. It did finish. So let me find it. Go to video trailer. Okay, here's the trailer. That's not a very good trailer. This is a terrible trailer. This is so bad. But we are gonna submit it anyway. Oh my word. That's so terrible. Okay, great new trailer. Test. Wait, public facing. Okay, no, I can't do that. Showcase. Showcase. Okay, we gotta drop the file there. Okay, 84 megabyte for that piece of shit trailer. So that's gonna take a while. Let's go see if the QR code generator has actually generated some stuff for us. It looks like it. Oh, it's still busy. It's still busy. The reinstall is active now in a clean terminal. Sure. So it's busy with it still. Cool. Sounds good. Take your time. Let's get it working. Let's make sure we are still live on Twitch, because I know Twitch likes to like just disconnect itself. So looks like we are still live. Let's stay on the... What's the stream summary? Let's go to stream summary. Average viewers, 0. Let's go. Let's go back. I'm going to open this in my other browser, so that I can have it here on the side. And there we go. Hey, we got 1 viewer on Twitch as well. That's crazy. Hello, 1 viewer. How are you doing? Broadcaster. 1 month subscriber. Okay. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Swimming, swimming, swimming. It's super cold here as well. I don't know what the actual temperature is. Let me go check actually. Let me go check. It's 2 degrees Celsius currently. And it says here that it's gonna get down to -2 later. Okay. So yeah, that's the current temperature here where I'm at. I have 2 jackets on as well. Gotta stay warm. My nose feels frozen as well. My nose and my hands, they feel super frozen. I'm gonna try and make a better trailer because I don't actually like that trailer. Can you look at how the screenshots look and then take more screenshots with the exact same size and zoom and actually use the application and show the trailer, like the trailer should show how the application looks when it's being used. Please do that. Yeah, let's see if we can possibly get a better trailer going. I don't actually like that trailer. I think it's not good enough, like not even closely good enough. So maybe we could get a better one there. Now let's jump to cursor Invoice Generator. Okay, we got the new logo in. I don't actually like that logo now that I see it showing here. Yeah, I don't like it. It doesn't fit well with this theme at least. I mean, there might be a theme that works with it, but I don't like that current theme. Okay, so we need to redo the logo at some point as well. The templates, then I go use. And let's say my business name is, so this you can't actually see the name while typing it. Okay, so let's start there. Let's do some improvements. I forgot how to use cursor again. Design mode. No. Hello? What happened to the image? Okay. Okay, so I have an image, I say copy. Here we go. When I try to When I edit the business name field, then while typing, you can't actually see what you are typing because the background and the text color are both white, which doesn't work. Please fix that, improve it. Hello, Night Sky GD. Thank you so much for getting me GD. It's a pleasure, man. Have you been enjoying it? How many hours do you have currently? And have you made some videos yet? I don't see any videos yet. Where's the videos? You must make some GD content. Your audio is not syncing with the video. That's not good. Okay, let me try and see why. Give me a second. I'll figure it out now. Testing, testing. I am saying something. I'm busy trying to figure it out. Okay, so testing, testing. I have my mouse on the create button. I'm moving my mouse away from the create button. It's now on the create new trailer text. I'm busy watching my own video to see how it's syncing. It seems to be in sync if I watch my own stream. Yeah, it seems fine when I'm watching it. Oh, there is a slide missing. I see. That's strange. Why? Huh. Thank you for telling me, by the way. I put my bitrate lower. Maybe that helps. Maybe I should put the camera off and on again. Testing. Yeah, it's definitely like delayed. Oh, oh no. Testing, 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 testing. Okay, it does seem maybe better. Now it's all cut off. Or was it like this? Oh, surely I wouldn't have had it like this. Okay, give me a second. Figure this out. Testing, testing. Ha. Okay. Okay, I think it's better now. Just trying to position my camera nicely in the middle. Something like this. Okay, there we go. Hopefully that's better. Sweet, yeah. I don't know why. I just changed some random settings and now it's better. So, yeah. Thank you very much for telling me. Okay, so we have a trailer now. Category, general cinematic teaser gameplay. Yes, it's gameplay. Oh, this would be cool if we make a trailer like this, like an interview dev diary. That would actually be pretty cool to do. Okay, let's save it. But let's go see if there's a new trailer. Okay, so we're still busy making a trailer. Okay, okay, this has finished. If you want, I can add a real.iso asset so the Windows metadata patch also replaces the exe icon instead of falling back to metadata only patching. I need the packaging and icons and all that to be exactly the same as the calculator project. So do whatever you need to do for that to happen. Make sure to also create a git ignore file for all of the new stuff. Hey, this issue is fixed. Nice, nice. Thank you, Mr. AI. How are you doing, by the way, GTA? Okay, sent paid overdue. Yes, let's test it. So right here, Sean Roselt. Okay, invoice 2. Okay. Let me try and find an example of an invoice somewhere. Or do we just fill in some stuff? So invoice 2, let's say we are going to be invoicing electronic arts. Yes, that's who we are. Oh, I don't think this should be orange as well. Electronic arts. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a screenshot. Client. Okay. Why that doesn't sometimes not work? Oh, we should actually just add a client. I forgot about that. Yes, yes. Then we can import a client. Okay, let's add a client. So it's a new client. I wonder if Cursor is also able to actually fill in information for us, just like how you can with GitHub Copilot. We should test that. So look at the current tab that I have opened, and then please fill in client information for electronic arts, and then save the client. Yeah, let's see if Composer 2.5 on Cursor can also fill in details. Usually I attach the browser tab, but I don't see that anywhere in Cursor. So it might not be possible. But we'll see. We'll see. For the currency on the settings page, it should have your default currency selected. So when you open the website for the first time, it should try and detect your currency. and then have that currency selected. If it can't detect your currency, then use USD by default. I don't know if this is going to be a steer or a queue. Do I just send it? Oh, it's queued it. Okay, perfect. I'll be right back. Let's see how this one is doing. Ah, that looks better. Actual data in it. Something I have not had in mind yet. That's cool. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Got myself some snacks. Some ghost pops. I see the Twitch live stream has been broken here. It's showing my whole YouTube instead of just the actual section. Let's see if we can fix that possibly. How does it look now? I got 3 people on Twitch. Welcome everybody. Sorry, we are busy fixing it right now. Just give me a second. For those who are watching on Twitch, trying to figure out what's going on. I'm sure we'll have it fixed shortly. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I believe the Twitch one should be sorted now. Yeah, that seems much better on Twitch. Oh, but it keeps crashing. No way. Are we even still live on Twitch now? Yeah, Twitch just doesn't want to work for me. It's just issue after issue. Okay, it does look like we are still live on Twitch though. Or maybe not. Okay, let me try and fix it again. Okay. Okay. I think Twitch should be back online now. Or very shortly at least, if it's not yet. We lost the 3 viewers. That's unfortunate. Oh well. It happens, you know, it happens. It doesn't seem like Twitch is back yet. Ah. Come on, Twitch. Work with me. Yeah. Twitch just doesn't want to work. Yeah, I think we're just completely offline now on Twitch. Like, not even a little bit online. Let me double check. Let's turn the Twitch chat off. That stuff ain't working. Okay, yeah. Don't think we're online anymore. So it's just YouTube for now. Maybe I should just double check. Because the phone now says again that we are live. I'm so confused. You know, we're definitely not live anymore. We were live for about half an hour. Dang. Here we went live for 4 minutes. So yeah. Twitch not working for us. Maybe one day, just not today. Okay, so we got the trailer in. It still says library assets 4 out of 5, but I don't understand. We have all of them. Indicates required fields. Content on library assets is limited to game artwork and logo. Please see graphical asset rules for details. Do not include quotes, marketing copy, or other strings of text beyond the title, okay? Yeah, I'm so confused. We got everything. feel like it's this last one that something is not correct. Oh yeah, now there's nothing in there. Okay, let's do this. You save it. You can publish these changes via the store page admin. It still says 4 out of 5 though. I don't know. Let's upload the app icon. Convert shortcut icon to app icon at upload time. Okay. Wait, what do we need? Supports ICO or PNG. PNG must be in 512. Okay. Let's go get a PNG. Okay, upload. And there we go. So that's sorted. Can we publish now? We can do a publish. Publish. Steamworks. Okay, so Steam Cloud. Okay, 400 megabyte. I'm happy with that. Let's do like 10 files. Add new auto cloud path. Saves directory. Okay, no. Pattern will do .json and we'll do a saves. Recursive. Yeah. Update. Oh, it still says Python Turtle learn programming. So somewhere we still have the path wrong for the app. Here we go. Okay. Roselt Invoice Generator. Update install folder. So now if we go to general, Steam Cloud. There we go, that's fixed. Let's check out the Steam Remote Play. Okay, I think we are good. Let's do a publish. Alright. Allah Akbar. What Serenity is saying right here. There we go. Store presence. Mark as ready for review. Okay, apparently the new trailer is ready. So I think let's go have a look. Okay, here's a new trailer. Okay. Don't know what's going on with the low resolution image. Oh dear hell. Okay, let's try that again. The images in the video is too low resolution. It's very blurry. I can't actually see anything at all. And then I don't want the images to zoom in like how it's zooming in within the video. Okay, let's see if we can make a better trailer for us. Serenity has entered the chat. When is Roselt Calc releasing on Flatpak? I guess never, Serenity, because Flatpak has like made a new rule. You can't publish any app on Flatpak if you have used AI in any way. Just so stupid. So existing apps that have used AI can stay on it, but for releasing new apps, you won't be allowed if you use AI, which is such a stupid rule. But that's the rule that they have made now, like 3 days ago or something. So Flatpak anti-AI rule. Yeah, FlatHub AI ban blocks every submission type on Flatpak repos. FlatHub bans AI-coded apps. No more AI slop on FlatHub. I think this is such a stupid decision. Like the worst decision ever, because just because you use AI, that doesn't mean that it's going to be something like that's not good quality. I don't think they should just ban outright it. It's really stupid. I think either people will just continue submitting AI stuff to it, or they will like backtrack and say, okay, we were in the wrong, let's allow AI. Because this doesn't make sense, because the entire industry is moving towards AI. If you are not using AI to build software, then you are doing it wrong. As simple as that. So yeah, I don't know what they were thinking, to be honest. I think whoever made this decision at FlatHub is not very smart. Let's just say that. I don't know who you are, but yeah, you are not a smart person for making this decision right here. And what makes this even worse is they have a sub rule that if you actually it goes deeper. You can't even use AI to make a logo or write any text or even like automate the submission of the FlatHub repo. Like it all has to be done by human. Otherwise it's not allowed. And furthermore, that if you are caught using AI, they will ban your account and you'll never be able to publish anything on FlatHub again. So yeah, it's extremely stupid. I really don't know what the hell they are thinking. Like, I am a big fan of FlatHub. I really love the FlatHub store. But this honestly, it's just the worst decision ever. I want to see if I can somehow find like who wrote the article or announced this. Do they have like a blog section or something? I need to see who's behind this stupid decisions. I see people are asking here, what counts as AI slop? Let's have a read. So, the past weeks, I was working on a small application that I want to publish on FlatHub soon. I did not use AI coding agents in the process, apart from infrequent consulting or getting ideas. AI is very helpful when GTK docs have gaps. However, I have noticed that GitHub offers Copilot code review. I want to try that out on my code base before publishing. Maybe it can find something I haven't noticed. Would my app count as AI slop then? What's the threshold to AI slop? Okay. Using Copilot review is a blocker in a submission PR. That's crazy. So you can't even use AI to review your code, which has become somewhat of the standard, you know. Yeah, who's this guy? Who replied this? Coded or. Okay, buddy. As for the AI slop threshold in general, a lot of submissions nowadays are done in a few days by likely inexperienced people who relied heavily on their chatbots to create and sort of working small application. While that may work for an app that you only intend to use on your personal computer, it definitely is not for FlatHub. Publishing to FlatHub means you give a software to many people who all will expect a qualitative application that they can keep using. So that means an application needs to not just have code that works for me, it needs to have enough quality to work for any user. And quite importantly, the project should be able to be maintained over a long time span. You will need the capacity to resolve issues users will have. You will need to regularly update your dependencies and runtime. And you need a project structure that can invite new contributors if you're an open source project. Publishing an application to any software store should be taken seriously, and well, people who push an app quickly cobbled together by a chatbot and immediately submitting it, well, they either don't understand this or are willfully negligent about that. And we're at the point where we are simply exhausted by all this slop, which is why the rules are now you can't use AI to create your software. So the main point would be you'd better be of avoiding Copilot reviews. Yeah, I think this is really not a good decision by them. Well, having immediate states, debug code, and mistakes are part of the developing process. With any real project, you will have small gaps, yada yada yada. If you want to restructure your commits for better clarity, you can, but there is no reason to hide how you develop your software by compressing it into one commit. If you are proud of what your development has resulted in, you can be proud of the process that led to it. Thank you for your assessment. So I won't use this feature on my codebase. While I understand your support, the rationale of rejecting half-baked AI-generated applications by inexperienced people, I think there's still value to AI code reviews. It may raise some concerns that the developer didn't think about. Security-related problems, duplicated or dead code, etc. And an experienced developer will know which corners are valid and which to ignore. Yeah, I definitely agree here. You are free to use LLM-backed review tools in your own repository. Copilot and the like are just utterly useless in the context of FlatHub submissions. That doesn't really give us enough information, but yeah. Oh, this is interesting. Introducing Flatpak, automating FlatHub submissions for Flutter apps. I must say I am a little bit curious and may want to start using Flutter for some stuff, or at least play with it. Flutter does seem quite interesting. I only see this message now, GTA. By the way, your streaming time is not good for me in India. It's midnight 1:30. I can enjoy a live stream, and is there any update for Discord? So sorry for only seeing this right now. I didn't see it earlier. Yeah, sorry about the time. This unfortunately is the best time for me to stream. It's the only time where I actually have time. And as for Discord, yes, there is an update. I did actually make a Discord server. I have not done anything on it just yet, but I have started making one. Now I don't know when it will be live, but yeah, I have definitely started making one. Okay, the AI has made a new trailer. Let's take a look. Okay, this looks much better. Okay, there's no zooming in. Okay. Okay, this is much better. Okay, let's use this trailer instead. Because this is definitely a much better trailer. Let's give it a thumbs up. And we'll give the other one a thumbs down. Yeah. Okay, let's go back here. And we'll upload a new trailer. Okay, so we go trailers. We'll drag. No. How do I delete this one? Replace. Okay, then we drag a new one. Yeah, 83 megabyte. Let's wait for that to finish. And then I think we also need to set a price for it. Okay, Python Turtle. That name is still wrong. I don't know why. Depots. I'll worry about the depot later. Let's propose a price for this. Okay, so what price do we choose for the invoice generator? Right now it's fairly basic, so it might not make sense right now to give it a high price since it's still basic. Let's ask the AI. How much can I charge once off for an app like this? Okay, so the AI is saying $19 to $79 with 29 to 49 as a sweet spot. That feels a bit expensive. I'm gonna be honest. If I do $9, 999, okay? How much would that be in my currency? So South African rand, that's 105 rand. Okay. If we do 14.99, that's how much? Okay, 150 Rand. That's not too bad, especially considering we will be doing discounts quite often. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with this price. It feels a little bit expensive, but we will be doing discounts regularly, and the application will improve a lot over time. So I think I'm happy with this for now. Yeah, preview and save. Let's do it. Okay, go back to all applications. The trailer is almost done. Is it possible using only a keyboard? I don't know. These two are possible though. What type of timed input does your game require? Okay, summary. Okay, let's submit that, I guess. Almost done. Yes, it looks like we might have a runnable build now of the QR code generator. So let's go check that out. Okay, so dist, and then we have a Windows portable. Okay. Final dist. Hey, we got an app image and an exe. Let's do the app image and test it. Oh, look at that, guys. We have it running. Very cool. Extremely cool, actually. Can't wait to have this finished and actually released. This is freaking cool. Okay. So, should we just do a build right now? Like submit it to Valve? I think we should. So, QR code generator. At least one build configured. Okay. Web uploads. Let's take this. We'll zip it. Okay. Yes, standard. Choose file. We'll take this directory. We'll go there. And then we wait. Okay, open. Upload. There we go. There we go. QR code generator is busy uploading to Steam. Okay, so the new trailer is uploaded. We say save. And then I think this is ready to submit. Okay, mark as ready for review. Press OK. There we go. Cool. So Roselt Invoice Generator is now officially submitted to Valve. So it's going to take 3 to 5 business days to actually hear back from them on whether they accept it or decline it. But I see we are lagging. Why are we lagging now? Okay, hopefully you guys can hear me at least. But regardless whether they accept or decline it, if they decline, then we will obviously fix the issues and submit it again. But regardless, we are still planning to release it around July 1. So that's currently the goal. Oh, you guys can't see it right yet. The goal is currently for July 1, the specified date. At least for the invoice generator. Did we have a date selected for the QR code generator? Let's go have a look. Let me hide the chat for now, since no one's chatting. Yeah, so we actually said 1 July for the QR code generator as well. So we have about 4 weeks. 4 weeks left. Basically get the QR code generator and the invoice generator in a state where it's ready to release. And then we can start selling them. So yes. Okay, this is almost done. While that's busy uploading, I'm gonna just go get some more water. And then we also still have the Delphi Turtle app, which we still need to release as well. I'm just not finding time for it, to be honest. I'm really struggling to find time. I think we are going to lag for a little bit, at least until the upload is finished, which is this. It's only 300 megabyte though, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. But yeah, we will be lagging while that's happening. I could maybe set my bitrate lower while it's uploading, because that might help. But overall, it's still going to be laggy. Okay, my bitrate is lower now. So let's see if it's better. Let me move around. I'm going to watch myself. Okay. Yeah, it does seem better. Sweet. Yeah, we're not lagging anymore. I don't know how good the quality is now, but at least we are not laggy. But yeah, this has to finish. Because it looks like this is actually working. We still got screenshots here from the calculator that we actually don't want in here. Playlist tools. Well, these screenshots we can delete because they're not even like related to this app. So this discard, delete all. And that's working. Package.json. Okay, that's looking good. So we just have an app image, Linux and Windows. We still need to have a Flatpak. It did not make a Flatpak for us. We are missing a Flatpak version. Please check how it's done in the calculator and make a Flatpak for us. Even though we're technically not allowed to submit to Flatpak, I do still want to make a Flatpak version. And I think we will still try to submit it to Flatpak in any case, and hopefully they allow it. We just got to make sure that it doesn't feel AI generated, and we need to make sure that it is of like good quality. Obviously, we are gonna keep maintaining this, and it will be easy for anyone else to pick it up and continue maintaining it, even if I'm not here. So we are good in that aspect. It looks like it's done. Let's do v1 commit. Then we go to builds, and then we select default build, preview change, set build live now v1. Okay, so I think it's now live. Not like live for you guys, but like live for me. General installation. Okay. So we need to add some launch options. Edit. I didn't check what the actual name is. Okay, QR code generator.exe. Okay, launch type default. Operating system Windows. Update. Okay, let's do the Linux version. Okay, launch type default. Operating system Linux plus SteamOS. Let's go. Update. Okay, publish. Prepare for publishing. Publish. Steamworks. Really publish. Okay, so now I think if we go to this page, we should be able to submit it, but it doesn't seem like it. So what's still missing on the checklist? Uh, Trailer. Oh, do we not have a trailer yet? Oh, dang, we have not even made a trailer yet. Let's fill in this for now. So that, let's do 10. Let's save that. Add new. Okay, this will edit. We'll say JSON and we'll do saves, recursive update. Okay, we'll come back here. Okay, so we need to make a trailer now. I think we'll basically do the same as what we did for the calculator regarding a trailer. I'll give the path trailer. We go back. We basically need this video gate trailer. Okay. JS CSS assets. Oh, we have a trailer section here. Ah, okay. So we possibly have something to work from. So I think what we can do is we can go to assets. Create trailer. Here we go. We add that. Please take this old trailer script and modify it and use it to make a trailer for our QR code generator app. It needs to show various QR code pages and show it changing languages as well. Let the video not be longer than 2 minutes. Okay, it's busy making a trailer for us. I think once we have the trailer, then we should be able to submit the build for this one. Slowly we're making progress. I think roughly my goal would be to at least publish one something per month. Like minimum one something. If we can get one something out every month, then I'm happy. Now ideally, I'd like to release more than one thing per month. But I think we'll set a goal of one. So last month, we released the calculator. This one. And we have gotten 7 sales already from it. So 7 people have bought this. I have 6 of them as friends. So yeah, so most people who bought this from the YouTube chat. Actually, I'm lying. There is 8 people who bought it, but 1 person refunded it. So yeah. Okay. Then I think this month we'll hopefully release. It's technically possible for us to even release three apps this month, because Delphi Turtle is very close to being finished. We could probably strip down the QR code generator and release like an MVP of it. And then the invoice generator is already stripped down, so that one we should be able to finalize and finish off as well. So yeah. Okay, let's see what else we can add to the QR code generator. I want to get to a point where it's actually working. So what I'll do is I'll add a client. Okay, let me see. Oh, it couldn't add a client for me, looks like. No, it didn't add a client, it's fine. We'll add the client, electronic arts. Okay, and for the logo, what is their logo? Let's use this one. Actually, no, let's use this one of me and my son. Okay, contact person, we'll say Jamie. Email is jmeister at ea.sexy. Phone 123, website ea.sexy. I wonder what's actually on this domain. Let me just quickly go check. Okay, nothing's on that domain, so I think we are safe in using this. I was just worried it might be some kind of, website you don't want to be sharing. Although maybe it changes in the future. Let's go ea.com. Just in case someone goes and buys that domain and puts some stuff on there we don't want on there. Enter a valid URL starting with, okay. Address is, I don't care, some random stuff in there. Tax 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, new. Oh, wait, we have to save it. I don't like having the save client button at the top. I feel like it should be at the bottom, to be honest. I think we might move that. I don't like having the save buttons be top right. I think the save buttons should be bottom right, because you'll want to fill in the information first and then save it. So for me, it makes sense to have them bottom right. Please go and make that change. Okay, I'm giving it to the AI. Okay, how far are we? Okay, it's still busy making a trailer for us. I reckon this will take a while, so it's fine. My foot is stuck. Yeah. How far is the flatback? Also still busy. Okay, so we have a client added. So let's add a business. I'll add myself as a business. So let's do this logo. We'll say Sean Roselt. Contact person would be me. Email would be Sean Roselt at. Okay, phone would be. Bum 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 bum. Okay. Sean Roselt. Cool. I don't like what it's doing here. Why is it not working? When you add a website for a business or a client, I don't like the way the website validation works. Like, I currently entered an actual website, but it's saying it must start with that. Can we change it? I think it should be smarter. We should be able to enter a domain, and if it doesn't have HTTPS, it should add it automatically when you save it. But it shouldn't be a blocker for me while editing it. Okay, let's send that through as well. Okay, so put the buttons. Save button. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's zoom out. Okay. Yeah, I think there's space here to fit 4. Oops, I sent that by accident. Please look at the attached image. Currently it only has 3 templates in one row, but in my opinion, there is space to have 4. If there is more than enough space to have 4 that displays nicely, I think we should display 4. The amount of templates that show we should always try and show as many as we can, if it will still be big enough and look nice. Okay, this is much better. Yeah, that's much better. I don't know if I should keep it on auto or not. But we definitely don't want fast though. Let's see how much usage we have left. How do I see that again? Do I go to settings, then usage? I think we should still have quite a few usage left, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like I can't check from there. I'll check on the side. Okay. Let's make a business again. We'll select this one. Join Roselt. Contact person, email. Okay, that's working. But it should detect if it's not a valid email though. It should still detect if it's not a valid website. Now it just doesn't detect at all. Okay, address 1 vibe coder. Online. Hey, my boy, tax number, save business. Okay, so it does say it when you say save business, which I guess is fine then. Enter a valid website address. Okay, I think it's fine like that. Like it should tell me immediately, but I'm happy for now. So .com. Perfect. Okay. That image did not work. Oh, both images didn't work. Okay. So I add. Oh, consider a smaller image. Ah. Currently, it doesn't allow me to upload large images. Please don't put a cap on the logo size. Let me upload any logo size that I want to upload. Hey PT trainer. So images are stored locally. So the first version of the invoice generator is going to be an offline first version. So they won't actually be signing in. The first version will just be a once-off purchase, and then you get it available as an offline program. So it doesn't connect to any server or anything, and therefore you can just upload as big as you can. There doesn't need to be a limit because it's not saved on any server. It's just locally on your computer. So the thing is, I want to move faster and get more stuff released. So therefore, I'm not gonna be focusing on making the best one right now. I just want a basic invoice generator that works. Same goes for the QR code generator, which is what you see here. It's popping up because the AI is busy taking screenshots. So we'll let the AI quickly continue. This is actually cool. The way the AI opens it up and fills in all the details, and actually really cool, must say. Yeah, so I just really want to get stuff released and not just be in limbo the whole time, making it better, but not actually releasing anything. So the first versions of the invoice generator as well as the QR code generator is going to be a once-off purchase, and then you get a basic version. And then slowly over time, we'll improve it and add more stuff to it, including eventually adding a subscription model where they pay per month. And those who purchase the once-off one will keep it forever. So they'll keep getting updates as well. But I think this works better for me instead of like spending 3 months or 6 months working on making this one better for release. I rather just want to get something released and then we can roll out updates. Okay, so now the images should work, right? So if I were to go in here and choose the image, okay, oh, large image, consider a smaller one. Doesn't even look like it's working. It still doesn't seem to be working. I just tried to upload a 2.7 megabyte image and then it gave me an error and doesn't look like it's actually showing. Please check and fix. If you want to put a limit on it, put the limit as 10 megabyte. How big is the local storage? Like how much can I actually store on it? And what happens if you go above it? Let's open up Copilot and have a chat here. Hey, Brew. Hey. Hello. Okay, tell me, how big is the local storage of a browser?
That's the general range. Thank you for your question.
Okay. And what happens if I go above it?
If you try to go above that storage limit, the browser will typically prevent any more data from being stored. You might see errors in your console, and the website won't be able to add any new data until some existing data is cleared out.
Okay.
Absolutely. And if you never run into that situation yourself, you can always manage or clear out some of that stored data in your browser settings. That way, you'll free up some space if you need it.
Okay, and what is IndexedDB?
IndexedDB is basically a low-level API for storing significant amounts of structured data on the client side, right in the browser. It works a bit like a NoSQL database. So instead of just simple key value pairs like local storage, you can store more complex data structures, including files and blobs. It's also transactional, which means you can group operations so that if one part fails, the whole transaction can be rolled back.
But tell me more about IndexedDB.
Sure. IndexedDB is a low-level API designed for client-side storage of large amounts of structured data right in your browser. It's a bit like a JS-based object-oriented database that uses indexes for efficient searching, which can be useful for querying data quickly. In practical terms, it's more flexible than local storage because you can store complex objects, files, and blobs. Plus, everything runs asynchronously, so it won't block other operations in your web app.
Okay,
If you're
what's the size limit on it, and how's the browser compatibility?
So IndexedDB's size limits actually vary a bit depending on the browser. In general, Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers will let you use up to around 80% of the free disk case per origin, which can sometimes mean tens of gigabytes if there's a lot of storage available. Firefox is a bit more conservative, usually starting with around 2 gigabytes on desktop and asking for permission if you go beyond certain thresholds. Safari is known to have tighter limits, often around 1 gigabyte per origin, especially on iOS devices. Kite turn 0 search 1, turn 0 search 2. As for browser compatibility, IndexedDB is supported by all major modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, so you should be covered across the board.
And PT Trainer, that's pretty cool. I have heard about it, but I've never actually used it. So that's
Yeah, it's definitely
interesting. I think we might end up using this.
absolutely. I think once you dive into it, you'll find it's pretty approachable. It's a great tool for those who need more than just simple key value storage. If you've got any other questions about it, just let me know.
Okay, can we go ahead and move everything into an IndexedDB for our Invoice Generator app?
Sure. If you're looking to move everything into IndexedDB for your Invoice Generator app, we can definitely go through the process. Essentially, this will mean creating an IndexedDB database where you can store your invoice data, such as client info, line items, and invoice totals. We'll set up an object store and indexes so you can query your data easily. let's walk through the steps whenever you're ready.
It looks like the trailer finished for our QR code generator. So let's go have a look at the trailer and see how it looks. So trailer.mp4, and then I'll bring it over here. Let's see if it did a good job.
Awesome.
Okay, so it's playing. There's no sound in the video. That's fine. We just want to see the screenshots basically and have some actual data filled in and see how the QR code like changes.
Absolutely.
So far it's looking good, I must say. Oh, it looked like the one didn't actually work. Oh, I think we have a bug in this one. Social media, we got Instagram selected, but it's not showing like a icon for Instagram. Or do we select the icon from there? Oh no, I think we select the icon from there. I remember now. Okay, that's fine then. Then we are sorted. Okay.
Got it.
So it's showing light mode as well, which is nice. Okay, I like that. Okay, showing it in different languages as well. That's very cool. This is actually my first time seeing my own app in this layout. So that's very cool to see it's working. Very cool. Excitingly cool. Okay, I'm happy with that trailer. I think we'll go ahead and submit that trailer. Okay, so we got showcase right here. I'll just drag in the trailer. It looks like it's quite small. It's only 63 megabytes. So hopefully the stream doesn't really lag because of that. I'm dragging it in. There we go. Okay, excellent. Excellent.
Awesome. It sounds like everything's going pretty smoothly. 63 megabyte trailer should upload and stream just fine. No major lag expected. Let's go ahead and get it all set.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. It definitely sounds like things are lining up perfectly, so let's make it happen.
At this rate, we might even be able to release the QR code generator like sooner than 1 July. But we will need to make some changes to it. So if we strip out the frame editor for the first version, then I think we should be able to launch. But then we don't allow them in the first version to build custom frames. So basically what I'm saying is if we go join beta, then we get a frame editor. Now I'm saying we leave out the frame editor for the first version because this still needs lots of work before it's actually ready, I think. And then maybe we don't allow them for now to change the frames.
Absolutely.
And then we might be able to actually release, possibly.
Absolutely. That's a gauge strategy. By simplifying the first version a bit, you're likely going to get it out even sooner and then gather feedback. And later on, you can bring in that frame editor when it's polished and ready.
But what we can do is we could possibly leave this button here. So it's not enabled by default, but people can still enable it. That might be something we do. So we leave it in, but it's just not enabled. They have to physically go into beta. Also, these icons are broken in the social platform drop down. We should probably fix these icons.
Yeah, that sounds like a smart compromise. Leaving the button there but disabled by default gives users a little preview of what's coming and still lets the more adventurous ones opt into beta if they want to. And absolutely, fixing those broken icons in the dropdown is a must. Let's polish that up.
Okay, I think this we want to improve.
Absolutely.
Social
If we're always
media.
right, so focusing on the social media aspects is a great plan.
Okay, I think we definitely want to add a search bar at the top of the social media thingy. You need to fix the logos and possibly add more social media as well. Now, I haven't actually checked through these, but I'm sure we are probably missing some. Like, do we have Steam? Yeah, like we don't have Steam yet. Like someone could post a vibe coding Steam group chat link as an example, as a QR code. So we should improve this. I think that might be a good next thing to do on it. Let's commit the code that we have right now. Okay, we have lots of code here. I'm just gonna commit it. Not gonna worry too much right now. Because we are vibe coding. Okay, commit and push. And then we make a new chat. We'll open the actual website. Let's open the index page. And we also have to redesign this front-facing website. I don't currently like the way this looks. This looks very much AI generated. So before we release, we definitely need to improve the public-facing website. I would even go as far as to say we should completely redo it, actually. So yeah. Okay, so we go to social media. We share this page. We select this. Look at the attached element. This is for the social platform drop-down under the social media QR code mode. Notice that the logos is not displaying correctly. I also want to add more social media to it. Such as an example, we should be able to also add Steam there, because on Steam you have group chats and you can share the link for it. So any platform that has something social related where you can share links should be added there. And then also I want a search box at the top of it to be added, which allows you to filter the list. If you want to know how the logos should look at the logo tab, because we have lots of logos there. We should use that same logos for the drop down. Yeah, I actually set it to auto. I'm quite keen to see what it does. Auto is obviously cheaper. The reason why I don't usually choose auto is because I'm afraid it chooses like GPT 5.5 as the auto one, and then all my credits are gone, you know. Okay, the trailer is done. So we can say save here. And now we should be able to publish to public. Let's test it out. Okay. Store page. I think that's it. So if we go back to QR code generator, I think we can submit this now to Valve. No, still not. So what's still missing? Oh, platform support matches. That's missing. Let's go to the store page. Okay, so we have Windows selected here, which seems correct. Maybe we just need to publish this. Publish to public. Or let's add Linux there for now. Okay, so publish to public. Okay, then we go to QR code generator. Okay, platform support matches. Okay, so I think we have the wrong stuff in Steamworks then. So let's go to Steamworks. Oh yeah, we don't even have anything selected here. Okay, save. And we got a build as well. Let's just double check. Yes, we got V1. And now I think we can actually publish. Okay, let's have a look, see. Okay, I think we should be able to submit the QR code now. Yes. Look here. Mark as ready for review. And please specifically test the Windows version on Linux as well as the native app image version on Linux. That would be very much appreciated. I want to ideally let them use the app image version on Linux. When I say Windows version on Linux, I mean through Proton. Okay, I think I should also be able to get it now. Actually, yes, update available. Oh boy, exciting stuff. This will be my first time launching the QR code generator from Steam. So it's very exciting. The internet's actually quite fast. Look there, 29 megabit per second. That's crazy. Wait, so then I could put my bitrate higher on YouTube if it's that good right now. 12. So usually if it's that high, then we are running on 4G or maybe 4G plus, but unlikely. Yeah, let's do launch. Hey Malak, how are you doing? QR code generator in Steam is crazy. Yes, sir. Okay, so it doesn't launch just yet. That's not working, but I think it's because it's launching the app image. So let's force it to use Proton. And then we say launch. And then I think it should launch. Yeah, Mark, I haven't really seen anyone else really like do what I'm doing, where I'm going to be building a bunch of applications and put it on Steam. Sure, there are many apps on Steam, but it's not well known to put apps on Steam. So I want to utilize this and put as many apps on Steam as I possibly can. So it doesn't currently launch for me. I think because it's using the app image, but it's fine. We'll leave it like so for now. Oh, I might have put the bitrate too high. I see we are lagging again. Let's put it lower. W supporter. Okay, so we'll let Valve review this, and then we'll see later if it works. Okay, what's still left? Okay, so the invoice generator. I don't know if we can submit the build while we wait for the store, or if we have to wait for the store to finish. But I think for now we'll wait for the store review to finish, and then we'll submit a build. Luckily we've done most stuff already, so it's just a matter of uploading it. Right now I'm making a geometry dashboard. Right now I'm making the logo. Awesome. Do you have a website for it? Or is it not that big of a mod? Like just a small mod? What is the mod? I have not done any modding in Geometry Dash, so I don't even know like what's involved to make it. I know they have a map editor that is almost like a game engine because you can do so much in it. But yeah, I have not really used it at all. I have no experience in it. Nope, I don't make websites for mods. Also, it's very small mod. Well, if you have many mods, then it might make sense to have a website that shows all of your mods. So not a site per mod, but just a general site showing all of your mods. I saw a very cool site today that I actually want to try and remake as well. The site was called guns.lol, and it's basically a site where people can. I've not used this, I don't actually know exactly, but it's a site where you can make a social website for yourself, and then you have a basic backend. Ah, nice. Do you want to share the link? Let's test this out. So guns.lol, I say claim. Yeah, username available. I say continue. It wants me to sign in. I'll quickly sign in. It looks like the AI finished as well here. Okay, now it's capping the freaking thing off. Okay, let's fix that quickly. The social drop down should not be cut off and capped within the container. It should be able to go outside of the content accordion container. So codex is how much? 5.3 codex. Okay, so the auto mode is even able to use ones that I have basically hidden. Such a waste. Like, why would it use it then? Well, yeah, you can send on YouTube, but if you have joined the Steam group, then you are able to send in the Steam group. I don't know if you have joined the Steam group. I'll send the link right here. But you can send it inside of the show and tell. So if you join the Steam group, on the left hand side, you'll see there's a show and tell text channel. And you can drop your link in there. And then I'll take a look. Okay, so let's get back here. Guns.lol. Where did you find out about guns.lol? Through a friend. How are you planning to use guns.lol? Personal use. Okay, so it wants me to upgrade immediately. I'm not going to do that. You've reached the end. Okay. Okay, so you got like a whole backend here. This is very cool. I think at some point we'll try and remake this website. So I think having something like this is pretty nice. Okay, share your profile. So what's currently on it if I go to it? Nothing, just show the result. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, you can also generate a QR code for it. Oh, that's cool, man. Download PNG, download SVG. Okay, so customize. Okay, so you can put a custom background. You can put an audio file, profile avatar, custom cursor. Okay, so it's very customizable what you can do. Link your social media, add custom URL. Okay, so they have way more social media here than what I have. I should be having some social media. A premium image host. So if I put like YouTube, okay, I see. So if I put here Sean Roselt, okay, let's capitalize that. Okay, add. Okay, so is it automatically saved? So if I refresh, oh, that's actually cool. Yeah, I think we'll definitely make a site like this. I wonder why it's called guns.lol. But yeah, I do like this. I'm gonna leave for now though. Hey, this is fixed. It also used GPT 5.3 again, but now it's costing 5.4x. Okay, I see what you're throwing down. Nice. I don't like that the images are going behind the search. Look at the attached image. Oh wait, let's actually do an attachment here. Look at the attached element. I don't like how the social items are scrolling behind the search box. Guess that's enough. Don't need to say anymore. What we do have is we do have Steam now, which is nice. Does that other website have Steam? Let's see if they have Steam. The dashboard. Customize. Oops, links. Ah, they also have Steam. Good, good, good. So let's add my Steam. Let's see. Sweet. So if I refresh. Yeah, it's a very simple idea, but I do like the idea behind it. Exclusive badge, profile layouts, custom fonts, typewriter animation, special profile effects. Okay, that's cool. Analytics. Okay, badges. Purchase or be a known content creator. Star. Helper. Be active and help users in the community. Premium. Gifter. Donor. Image host. Purchase the image host. Okay. Domain legend. Add a public custom domain to guns.lol image host. OG. Be an early supporter. Bug hunter. Okay. Server booster. Preview custom badge. Okay, let's try it. Ah, I see. Well, my PC only now opens Steam. That's crazy. Oh, so I can purchase a custom badge actually. Purchase custom. What? How many custom badges do you want to purchase? So $9 if I want to add a custom badge. That's crazy. And I'm assuming people are paying for it though. Okay, yes. I do think we shall be remaking this site. I do like it. Okay, I'm watching the link here. malak.github.io. I'm busy going there right now. Ah, so it's similar to that website where you just have a list and links to your stuff. Also, what's happening? I think it's like frozen. Oh no, something is not working, lekker. Okay, there we go. Oh my word, why is it so laggy if I... Okay, there we go. Very cool, Malak, very cool. A Python library to handle anything more than yn. Yeah, it's a browser issue. It's definitely not your website. Well, I don't think so, at least. GD stats. Is this hard-coded, or is it actually being pulled from an API somewhere? I don't like your donate button and merge buttons. They look ugly top right. Surely you can make them look better. W. But overall, it looks nice. So this is now... Wait a minute. We have to release it first. This is looking better. Oh, LinkedIn is a bit busted. Why is LinkedIn so small? Why is the LinkedIn icon so small? Please fix the LinkedIn button. It should be just like the other ones. Also, I'm trying cause my first overworked site. Pulled from Roselt's API. Cool. I actually made a game similar to Geometry Dash many years ago. When did Geometry Dash come out? Let's have a look. But I made a game where you were a cube and you also jumped over stuff. But it wasn't like as complicated as Geometry Dash. It was way more basic. Geometry Dash. This was around 2012 when I made mine, roughly. Geometry. Oh, so it was around the same time as when Geometry Dash came out. Geometry Dash. Yeah, 2013. Yeah, so I made mine. I made mine around 2012 or 2013. But it was the base mechanic was very similar. Like you had a cube, and you could jump over obstacles. I think I don't remember if I had triangle or circle or square obstacles or all of them. I don't remember, but I had obstacles as well. Um, Game came out 2013. Yeah, and then I remember later on, Geometry Dash. I played it, and I really liked the idea. So my game, my cube didn't like spin when you jumped over stuff. I loved the way the Geometry Dash one like looked as if it was jumping. And so I then went back to my game shortly after Geometry Dash. Well, as I say shortly after, but back then I didn't know when Geometry Dash came out. But then went back to my game probably around 2014, and I also added in that jumping thing to my game. But that's it. And then I never touched the game again. I didn't even have a full level. It was like literally just like a short path, and almost like a tech demo, just to see if I can do it. I remember I was experimenting with stuff because I wanted to make a side scroller game, and so I was experimenting with like moving the map around and making the character technically stay in one place. And so to test this, I made the jumping thing, which was kind of like how Super Mario works. If you basically move the map left and then you jump over it, that was roughly the idea. Okay, this is not the actual Skype logo though. Okay, that's the wrong LinkedIn logo as well. Hello? Please look at the attached elements. You have the wrong Skype and the wrong LinkedIn logo. Let's remove Skype and then fix the LinkedIn logo. It should have the actual LinkedIn logo. Oh, it doesn't close either. It's just open forever. If I open it, it's open. Okay, need to fix that as well. Oh, it even starts open. Oh, it just never closes. It's always open. I don't remember if Geometry Dash ever came out on Windows Phone, because I had Windows phones throughout my high school. So, but I don't think it ever came out on Windows Phone. So I must have played it on someone else's phone. But let's just double check. I'm sure Wikipedia would tell us. Wikipedia. Oh no, it did come out on Windows Phone. Okay, so I must have played it on Windows Phone. Oh yes, I see here it came out on Windows Phone in 2014. So that lines up around the time that when I first like found it and played it. Nice, nice, yeah. It's still the wrong LinkedIn logo though. Why? Do we even have a LinkedIn logo? We have a LinkedIn logo right here. Like, why is it using something else? Huh. It's still using the wrong LinkedIn logo. Please make sure we have the actual LinkedIn logo showing. And then also the drop down never closes. I can't get the drop down to close. It's just stuck open forever. Okay, let's head here. Okay, what do we still need to do here? So client, let's test the images. Okay, so I upload an image. I go save client. Doesn't work. I don't think the logo uploading and saving is working for the client and businesses. Because when I choose a logo to upload, I choose one and then I can see the logo displaying. Then I click Save Client and it says Client Saved. But then in the Clients table, it doesn't show a logo. And then if I go back to edit the logo, it also doesn't show a logo. Please have a look and fix it. I'll be right back while that's running. Okay, so it says it's finished. Let's have a look. Ah, there we go. Now we have an actual LinkedIn logo. Okay, let's go mark those ones as wrong. This feels much better. Okay, like what we did here. That's a good change. Ah, because now we have the actual LinkedIn logo here. Fantastic. Let's go mid and push. Okay, what do we still have to do here? We finished it all, right? Yeah, we're done. Sweet. Okay. I think this we can then probably close all these tabs. Just keep one open. And OBS doesn't even start. A random fact, if I open VS Code plus GD equals 20 FPS, GD plus Brave, oh dang, that's crazy. What is your specs? Well, if it makes you feel any better, I also don't think I'll be able to open up Geometry Dash. I think if I open it, it'll be the same for me. We can test it, but I'm pretty sure if I open this, it's going to be low FPS as well. But we'll test it now. Submit to Flatpak. I do still want to make a. Let me make sure that I'm not currently lagging. Okay, so stream seems fine. Oh yes, Core Duo. I remember now. Yes. That's crazy. Yes, I'm opening up Geometry Dash. Last played in 2025. So it's been a long time since I played it. How many hours do you have on it, Malik? Oh, I can already see it's not doing well. Oh, but it runs though. But my CPU is 100%. Yo. Okay, wait a minute. It's struggling a little bit now. Oh yeah, I'm struggling hard here. Can do a run though. Using my mouse. I want to see how much it lags on the stream. Oh, it's just black. Why is it only black? Why is it not showing? I can already see. Oh, now it's showing. Not doing well. Oh, but it runs though. But my CPU is 100%. Yo. Okay, wait a minute. Trying to see how much the lag is. It's struggling a little bit now. Oh yeah, I'm struggling hard here. Do a run though. Use my mouse. Yeah, lags quite a bit. I want to see how much it lags in stream. Let's close that. Black. Why is it only black? Why is it not showing? That wasn't a great experience, but it works, you know, it works. I think the sound was also too loud for the stream. So don't know if you could actually hear me. Only 30 FPS. But I mean, it's playable. Okay, let's go back to the QR code generator. Let's get some actual work done, you know? Okay. So actually, I want to work on the invoice generator. Let's focus on this one. Okay, let's test it. So it did some fixes. We go to electronic arts. We say choose file. We pick this one. Okay, we say save client. Now it's working. What was the issue? Found the bug. Get data merges default data. And that overrides the logo. Okay, perfect. And for business, does business work? There we go. Okay, so now we can try and make an invoice. So, okay, delete invoice. Like I want to be able to delete multiple invoices at the same time. We should add that. If I hold down Shift on my keyboard and I click on an invoice, client or business, then it should basically select it and allow me to select more than one. So that should be a way to select multiple. Please make the UI look and work nice for that and implement it. Maybe before we do that, we should commit the code we have currently, because we have not yet committed any code. Okay, we need to update the gitignore file here. So we'll go to GPT-5 Mini. Please update the gitignore file so that it doesn't push any videos. Can't believe it's only day 7 this month and already 25% of my Copilot usage is done. And the thing is, I've not even used Copilot that much. Like, I've barely used it. And we are already on 25%. That's just absolutely crazy. Come on, compacting conversation. There's no need to compact it. Holy, I'm the active and 7 views. Yep. So what I've seen is that it's common for people to view the live stream, but not everyone actually types in the chat. I don't know what the percentage is, but I would guess it's like maybe around, I don't know how much. So normally if we have around 10 people watching, then we have around maybe 1 or 2 people chatting. Sometimes more, sometimes less. But I would say the average is around 2 people chatting in the chat if there's around 10 people watching, from what I've seen. And then as the viewers get more, the chats get more, and it's roughly the same. Also, what I've seen is normally not normally, but many of the times, the chat is the most active around the beginning of the stream, and then towards the end, the chat like goes slower, and then every now and then people pop in like you. Okay, do you want me to add videos to gitignore? So that's exactly what I want. Don't now it's wasting more of my prompts. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Don't waste my premium requests. Oh, I should be clear here. Videos should not be committed. But I made it clear. Please update the gitignore file so that it doesn't. Oh, I see it doesn't period push any videos. Okay, makes sense, makes sense. Okay, it added stuff here, but I still see videos. Ah, there we go. Now it finally fixed it. Sweet. I never told it to push my code to GitHub though. But it still did it anyway. Oh no, it pushed the freaking videos. No way. No, I never told you to push the videos. I'm looking at the commit history and you just pushed the videos to GitHub. I want the git ignore file to ignore videos. Videos should not be committed and pushed. Please fix this. I don't want any videos committed and pushed. Yeah, it looks like it's finally fixing it now for us. Now it deleted my videos. No way! It did that. In fact, I'm now working on a top 10 level in GD. Nice. Nice, Mr. Malak. Well, I guess we don't really need a trailer anymore, since we already pushed it. But no, wait, it also removed other things. Yes, because where is the screenshots? No way! What the hell is it doing? That's fine. We'll let it continue and not judge it until it's finished. Yeah, I guess so. What I like about web dev is that I can, well, firstly, it's easy. Well, depending on what you do, but generally it's easy. And then also, whatever you build, you can very easily package it for other platforms such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. And that's what I like about making websites is the fact that it's so easy to package it for other stuff. I make one website, I give one prompt, and there I have a Windows exe, I have a Linux app image, a Linux Flatpak, a Mac OS app, all of the above, And I do like that. Okay, let's have a look at what the hell the AI did here. Two save options, pick one. Option A, non-destructive recommended. I will pull/rebase the remote changes, reapply the removal commit, or cherry pick it, then push a normal commit that deletes the. As long as my files are there, my files are missing, man. My screenshots are just gone now. And let me guess, Electron. Yeah, Electron. You can do whatever you want to do. Just make sure that I don't lose any of my code changes and that there isn't any videos committed to GitHub. Yeah, I don't like Electron that much since each site that you run as a package literally runs its own Chrome instance. So I used to be the same. I also did not like that for exactly the same reason. But then AI became a thing, and now thanks to AI, it's so easy to package web apps that just simply because of that, I I like Electron now. But yeah, I also didn't like that initially. But with AI, it's just nice. I think going forward, I'll most likely uh, have all of my apps as Electron apps. Maybe. We'll see. I really like how easy it is to use it. Yeah, it looks like it removed some of my code as well, which would really suck. Let's test it. So let's see if we can add images, because that was the one thing. Large, oh yeah, it removed our changes. Ay, ay, ay. We might need to redo all of those changes now. I'll be right back. It's still asking me stuff. Why? Don't ask me stuff. Just do whatever you think is best. I'm so upset here. And right now, push all my code, waiting for GitHub Actions, then I'm gonna release plus submit to geode index. Okay, very nice. Stop asking me, just do whatever you think is best. Oh, it's wasting so much requests. I even have it set on autopilot, yet it's still asking me all of this. Yeah, at least it looks like we have the code back. Okay, thank goodness. Woo! That was one thing I was worried about. Okay, so now what? I see uncommitted changes. Please make sure that we don't have any uncommitted changes and that there's no videos committed, and push it all to the remote main branch. Imagine AI thinking just to think after you tell it not to ask you. Yep. Ah. AI, man. AI. GitHub. So I really like GitHub Copilot, right? It's very nice, but GitHub has completely ruined it for me with these new prices. Like, they have completely ruined it for me. Okay, so it looks like all of our code is now committed. Finally. Okay, let's go make sure it's actually online. I don't have a way to get to GitHub from here for the project. Let me go to a different one. GitHub, Roselt. You can't use GitHub Copilot unless I get an .edu address, which I can since my school is shit. I see. That sucks. Well, they have a free option that you can use, but I don't know how much you'll be able to do on that. GitHub Copilot. I think also after the new price changes, I don't even know what it would offer. So let's have a look here. So free. Why is it in German? Translate. Hello? 2,000 completions per month. Access to Haiku. Okay, so you do get access to GPT-5 Mini and Haiku 4.5 at least, if you use the free one. How much you get? I don't know. Best value for money. Also very expensive though. GitHub blog. I want to post something here. GitHub Copilot app Sean Roselt. I posted an issue regarding the app that it wasn't working for me. And then someone asked me to test it. And it wasn't working, so they told me to test something specific, or I don't even know. But I haven't done that yet. But now I can reply here. Okay. I see you're right. Then that fix will probably not help you. The underlying problem might still be similar. If it still doesn't work, could you try sharing logs here? Run the app. I'm gonna reply here. Don't care anymore. No one should use GitHub anymore. The stupid GitHub Copilot is now just overpriced and not worth it anymore. GitHub has literally ruined a great product. I've been using GitHub Copilot since day one of technical review, and now it's just uselessly expensive. How do you spell this? Uselessly expensive. I can't use it anymore. I was so excited about the new GitHub app and now it's useless too because GitHub Copilot is too expensive. Let's post that. Who is this guy even? Does he work for GitHub? He works for GitHub. This motherfucker. Red Sun, you should be ashamed. Because of your company doing this with GitHub Copilot. These darn people. Okay, so now I think we can go back to cursor and we can do this. If I hold down shift, we do left shift or any shift on my keyboard and I click on an invoice, client or business, then it should basically select it and allow me to select more than one. So that should be a way to select multiple. Please make the UI look and work nice for that and implement it. Cool, let's send it. Let's make sure it remembered our changes though. So if I do a new client and add this one. Okay, that's working. Sweet! What's it thinking about? Good post. Okay, so we broke Microsoft Copilot. Yo, it's so cold here as well. My hands are just freezing. I can barely type and use the mouse. Okay, so shift click a row to start selecting. Shift click another row to select the range between them. Okay. Control click toggles individual rows. Checkboxes appear. Okay, that seems like a nice change. Let's test it. Ah, okay. Okay. I see you. I see. This is actually a really nice change. I must delete selected. That's actually very cool. I do like this change. Okay, I like it. Don't know if I'll keep it the same forever, but I do like it currently. So very nice. Okay, let's commit that. Is there a way to commit from cursor? Like, how do I commit code from here? Is it not possible to commit changes? Ah, so here we go. Create branch and commit. Commit and push. Okay. Where do I type a message? Okay. So it doesn't allow me to type a message. It just does it. Sure. Fine. Okay, let's check it out. So it should be live now. So if I go to invoices. Okay, just waiting for it to actually push. Okay, it has been pushed. So it should go live soon. Okay, so if I were to add a new client, let's test this out. Add a name, save client, Azai. That's working. We don't have this select yet, but it might take some time to actually make it live. System prompts, tool definitions. Okay, let's see if it's live. Don't see it live just yet. Maybe we need to have multiple clients. Let's test it out. No, don't see it live yet. Yo, I always remember you, Cloric. How are you doing? Theme. Okay, I think let's add more languages as the next feature. So go to cursor. Please can you go ahead? Please can you go ahead and add a second language? I want there to be English and Afrikaans. Each language should have its own .json file with the translations for that language. Sounds good to me, Claudic. Sounds good to me. Now let's give it this prompt. Okay, while that prompt's busy going, I'll be right back. I am brushing indeed. Okay, so usage in code app.i18n.t invoices.title. Okay, let's go see how it actually looks though. Not like the freaking UI in cursor. Let's just test it in here. Okay, so i18n is added. Then I go to index. Okay. Okay, sure. Okay. Okay, routing. Okay. Data I18N not found or title. I see the way it's doing it. Don't care too much though. Let's test it. Oh, it's loading the freaking. Okay, that's wrong. We need to fix that. I'm trying to catch it. Take a screenshot. There we go. Look at the screenshot. If you open a page, then the text are showing wrong initially, and only afterwards it then shows the translated text. It should not work like that. I never want to see invoices.title as an example. It should always show the actual text first. So translate it first and then show it. Come on, hurry! Okay, let's see if it's working now. So I'll test it in VS Code again. Ah, yes, now it's actually working. Sweet, so if I translate it, it's something was just broken. Oh, it's broken invoices for me. Oh no, okay. Gotta fix that quickly. Let's make an invoice. Save. Yep, okay. So it's definitely broken the invoices page. The invoices page is now just completely broken. Please go and fix it. Look at the attached screenshot. Ah, there we go. It's working again. Very nice. Okay, let's commit this code. I'm happy with these changes. Actually, let's just first test it. So Afrikaans. Oh, going back to English doesn't work. The language drop-down is a bit buggy. I started on English, then I chose Afrikaans. It then translated the entire website to Afrikaans, but the drop-down shows that I still have English selected. And now I can't change it. Please have a look and fix it. The voice mode in Cursor is much better than a voice mode in VS Code. That's one thing I like about Cursor, is the voice mode is just very good. The dictation compared to VS Code. Okay, what went wrong? Let's test it. Okay, so I choose Afrikaans. Okay, that's working. I choose English. Still working. Okay, perfect. So that seems to have fixed it. Okay, sweet. Okay, let's commit this now. I'm happy with these changes. Okay, and then I think we are done for today. So thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Cheerio!